Your toddler's on top of the world when they make you laugh. People say a good laugh and a long sleep are the two best cures for anything. A long sleep may not be a luxury you can indulge in right now, but a good laugh we can do. Kids with a well-developed sense of humor are happier and more optimistic, have higher self-esteem, and can handle differences, their own and others, better, says Dr. Mary Gavin with Kids Health. Around 12 to 18 months, your toddler may begin showing that they have a sense of humor. Their budding personality is a sign of their cognitive, social, and emotional development. Humor requires both sides of the brain, the left side for thinking of a joke, and the right side for appreciating it and laughing. Here are some ideas for nurturing your toddler's sense of humor. Be silly. Smiling, big facial expressions, funny noises, and peekaboo are all amazing ways to introduce humor to your toddler. Put hats on their feet or shoes on their head while getting dressed. Play a game of who can make the silliest face, or put on some music for a goofy dance-off. Repeat funny happenings with your toddler. A joke never seems to get old at this age. Not only does your little one enjoy the repetition, but they also want you to laugh with them again and again. Laugh when they do. Acknowledging and reacting to things they find funny builds their sense of connection with you, as well as their sense of humor. Laugh along with them at a loud noise or a strawberry that fell on the ground. Read funny books together. The Being Silly mini board book has funny images you can imitate. Any books that are silly and goofy promote the enjoyment of reading. Have fun with sounds. Make goofy sounds and funny noises with your mouth while you play. You can say whoop or whoosh when your toddler pushes the ball down the track. They may imitate, and then you imitate, and then so on. Hang in there with all the repetition and try to have fun. If comedy doesn't come naturally to you, just be playful and laugh. Luckily, toddlers are an easy audience.